Hello and welcome to another Lino printing video. It's been a little while since I have posted anything. I actually filmed this in June 2021 and it is now March 2022, so a bit of a delay there when it comes to the editing of it, but in my defense, I have been busy. I got married, I moved to Birmingham, I have been doing a lot of illustration work for clients, but now I'm kind of in a place where I want to work on personal projects a bit more, but I've got a backlog of things, so all of the footage that I've filmed over the last 6 months that needs editing is one of the things on my to-do list to edit before I start other things. So I filmed a whole load of lino printing videos that I'm going to make into a big fat lino vlog, but because that's such a long thing, it might take a little while for me to do. So I took these bee prints that I did and I'm making them into a smaller video that I'll hopefully post soon. So I made this bee stamp probably, I think it was 2018 probably. It's the one you can see in the sketchbook on the left, and you'll see it later in this video, but I'm a bit obsessed with it. I think I'm obsessed with bees for some reason, like bee illustration, bee art, even though in real life, I mean, you know, I love bees, I love honey, but too many times have I walked in the garden barefoot and stepped on a bee and it stung my foot. So in reality, do I love bees? I don't know, but I love making bee prints. I carved these, oh my goodness, do I know the shape? I want to say hexagon? Anyway, I carved these honeycomb shapes and I'm printing them with yellow block printing ink, and I made a bunch of these on one day, and then the next day, so they have to dry for 24 hours before you can print over them. So I just made a bunch of these yellow prints to print over the next day. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop rambling now and let you watch the video. It is the next day now. Well, the next day in June. And it's kind of the fun part now, just putting the bees on top. Lino printing takes a very long time. I was trying not to make this video too long, but then I also didn't want to speed everything up and cut out a lot of things, because I did want to kind of show just how long it takes to make something, even if it's really small. I'm planning on selling these prints on my Etsy shop. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think. If you like these bees and if you would like to see something else from me, yeah, just let me know, and stay tuned for the lino printing vlog that is gonna come at some point. Yeah. Anyways, have a great day. Have a great week. Do something creative, do something that you love, enjoy life. That is it from me, and I will definitely see you next time, hopefully soon, but we shall see. I'm not pressuring myself, so it might be in a few months, it might be next week. We shall see.